Do you want to build a six-figure investment portfolio but feel like you don't have enough money to start? Many people believe investing is only for the wealthy, but the truth is, anyone can grow a $100,000 portfolio, even if they start with nothing. The key is consistency, smart investing, and taking advantage of compound growth. The first step is starting with what you have. Even if you can only invest $5 or $10 at a time, it's better to begin now than to wait for the perfect moment. Investment apps like Robinhood, M1 Finance, and Acorns make it easy to buy stocks, ETFs, and even fractional shares with small amounts of money. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow. A small investment today can snowball into thousands of dollars over time, thanks to compound interest. One of the best ways to build a six-figure portfolio is investing in index funds. Instead of picking individual stocks, index funds like the S&P 500 track the overall market and have historically returned around 8 to 10% per year. These funds are low-cost, diversified, and require minimal effort, making them ideal for beginners. Investing just $200 per month could grow into over $100,000 in about 15 years. If you can increase your contributions over time, you'll get there even faster. If you want to accelerate your portfolio growth, increase your income, and invest the extra cash. Side hustles, freelancing, and learning high-income skills can help you generate more money to put into investments. Instead of spending raises, bonuses, or tax refunds, direct that money into your portfolio. The more you invest early on, the more time your money has to multiply. Another powerful strategy is automating your investments. Setting up automatic contributions ensures that you invest consistently, even when you're not thinking about it. Dollar cost averaging, investing the same amount at regular intervals, reduces the risk of market fluctuations and helps you build wealth over time. It also removes emotions from investing, preventing you from trying to time the market, which rarely works in the long run. To maximize returns, take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like Roth IRAs, 401ks, and HSAs. These accounts allow your investments to grow tax-free or tax-deferred, meaning you keep more of your profits. Many employers offer 401k matching, which is essentially free money. By contributing enough to get the full match, you can accelerate your portfolio growth without any extra effort. Even if you're self-employed, options like a solo 401k or SEP IRA can help you grow your wealth while reducing taxable income. If you're comfortable with a little more risk, consider dividend stocks, REITs, or crypto investments. Dividend-paying stocks provide passive income, allowing you to reinvest earnings and compound your wealth faster. REITs, real estate investment trusts, let you invest in real estate without owning physical property, offering solid returns with relatively low effort. Crypto assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum have high growth potential, though they come with volatility, so they should be a small portion of a diversified portfolio. Reducing unnecessary expenses can also help you reach your $100,000 goal faster. Cutting subscriptions, avoiding impulse purchases, and negotiating lower bills can free up more money for investing. Even an extra $50 or $100 per month invested consistently can significantly impact your long-term wealth. Building a $100,000 portfolio isn't about making huge, risky bets. It's about consistent investing, increasing contributions, and letting compound interest do the work. Even if you're broke today, small steps can turn into big results. The sooner you start, the faster you'll reach your goal. Anyone can build wealth. It just takes time, patience, and the right strategy.